All right, in this video, we're going to go over how to install software updates for Topcon Digital Layout. So anytime that you're notified of a software update for your TDL, and if you want to go ahead and install this update, these are the steps you're going to have to go through. So before we get started with installing the update, you do want to make sure that you're connected to Wi-Fi because we have to grab the update from the internet. So if you see something like this down here, that means that you're not connected to Wi-Fi. So you're going to click that, turn Wi-Fi on if it's not turned on by hitting this button, and then you're going to select whatever network you want to join. So first thing is you're going to have to navigate to Google Chrome or another web browser. So there should be a Google Chrome icon somewhere on your tablet desktop screen. So go ahead and double click that to open it. And then you're going to go to this website address. It's mytopconnow.topconpositioning.com. I'm also going to put that in big letters on the screen so that you guys can see that. And once you're there, you have to log in with the username and password that you signed up with for your Topcon account. Once you enter that information, it might ask you to select a content group, which you're going to select positioning. And then you'll get to this screen. So to get to our software updates, you're just going to click this arrow until you see software and then field software. And then you'll see Topcon Digital Layout. Then you'll see software and firmware. And here's where we're actually going to grab the update from. So if you want to read the release notes, those are right here. And then you have your software update for Android tablets and then Windows tablets. So most of our clients are using the Windows tablet. So you're going to go ahead and press whichever one you need. So I'll click Windows. And then you're going to click download. So once that download is finished, you can either click up here or you can navigate to your File Explorer and go to your Downloads folder. You'll see a folder that says Topcon Digital Layout 1.3.1 in this case, but whatever version you're installing is what it's going to read. So I'll go ahead and open the folder, and you'll see an application inside that folder. You're just going to double click that. This will bring up this screen. Make sure that you have all green check marks before you go ahead and move forward. Then press next. Keep this on change, and then next again. And then keep I accept the license agreement checked off as well. Then press install. Mine was already updated to the latest version, but it probably will take a couple minutes for the update to actually install. And then it should prompt you to restart your tablet once that update's installed. So we always recommend restarting the tablet just to make sure that the installation goes smoothly. After you've restarted your tablet, I just like to make sure that the update was installed correctly. So you can go ahead and open up TDL, go up here into settings, and then right here is where it'll say what version you're running. So you just want to make sure that that's matching the version that you were trying to install. So in this case, I was trying to install 1.3.1 and looks like my version matches up with that. So I'm all set and good to go.